What happens when you take the world's most legendary off-roader and dress it entirely in black? This is the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser 300, and it looks absolutely unstoppable. From the very first glance, this blacked-out Land Cruiser dominates the frame. The front fascia is bold, upright, and unapologetically muscular. That massive vertical-slat grille finished in deep gloss black immediately commands attention, centered by the iconic Toyota emblem. The LED headlights are sharp and squared, with a clean horizontal signature that gives it a modern, high-tech edge while still preserving that classic Land Cruiser toughness. Look lower and you'll notice the sculpted bumper design with strong geometric lines and wide air intakes. The stance is planted, confident. The wide track and large black multi-spoke wheels enhance that aggressive presence. Even standing still, this SUV feels ready to conquer mountains, deserts, or city streets without hesitation. From the three-quarter angle, the proportions tell the real story. This is a full-size body-on-frame SUV with a tall, commanding ride height. The side profile is clean yet powerful, with sharp fender contours, solid door surfacing, and subtle chrome accents that add just the right amount of refinement. The gloss black paint reflects the environment beautifully, emphasizing its bold shoulder lines and premium finish. Now move to the rear, and the Land Cruiser 300 continues to impress. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches seamlessly from left to right, glowing in a sharp red signature that gives it a futuristic look. The rear stance is wide and balanced, with dual exhaust outlets and a sculpted lower bumper that reinforces its rugged DNA. It looks just as strong leaving as it does arriving. Step inside, and the transformation into a luxury flagship becomes clear. The entire interior is finished in black, premium black leather seats with elegant stitching patterns, quilted detailing on the seat surfaces, and soft-touch materials across the dashboard and door panels. The cabin feels solid, refined, and incredibly well assembled. Front and center is a wide digital infotainment display seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The navigation interface is crisp and modern, positioned perfectly for the driver's line of sight. Beneath it, physical control buttons remain a perfect balance between technology and usability. Toyota understands that true luxury is also about practicality. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with multi-function controls that feel intuitive and premium. The center console features a rotary terrain selector and drive controls, reminding you that this SUV is still built for serious off-road performance. Dual cup holders, wood trim accents, and metallic detailing add warmth and sophistication to the otherwise dark cabin theme. In the second row, passengers are treated to spacious black leather seats with generous legroom and premium rear climate controls. The panoramic sunroof above floods the cabin with natural light, creating a dramatic contrast against the black interior. It feels executive, comfortable, ready for long journeys. And the third row, equally refined, with supportive seating and a fold-down center armrest offering additional cup holders and controls. This is not just a utility vehicle, it's a luxury family command center. The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 perfectly blends rugged heritage with modern luxury. It remains one of the most capable SUVs on the planet, yet now carries an even stronger premium presence in this all-black configuration. Bold exterior, luxurious black interior, legendary durability. This isn't just a Land Cruiser. This is the 2027 Land Cruiser 300 refined power without compromise.